Home buying can be a stressful process. Anyone who's bought a home before knows that. But one of the best ways to simplify the process is to work with a local lender. What's going on? It's Brad, hashtag thinknashvillethinkbrad. And today's video is all about why you should keep it local and make sure your mortgage broker is here in Middle Tennessee. So what is a mortgage lender? A mortgage lender is a financial institution or bank that's in the business of giving you a loan. But how do they decide whether they're going to give you a loan? Well, first you fill out an application, you provide everything about you financially, and then they look into you to look at your ability to repay that loan. They help you decide on the following terms. 1, what's the interest rate, which is based on the market. 2, how long is the loan? 15 years, 30 years, 5 years, a 5-year arm, whatever, and other components of the loan as well. Mortgage lenders are one of the most important people in the process and usually the first person a client would reach out to many times before even talking to an agent. Here's the reality. Most of us need a loan. So who are you going to call when you need a loan? The bank. Let me now give you 3 reasons you should keep it local with your lender. Number 1, local market knowledge. Your local market lender, like your agent, this guy here is going to know much more about the process, everything going on inside this city in terms of what stuff's selling for, where rates are, what neighborhoods are hot, etc. Do not use someone on the other side of the country. It does not work out. It's not a good idea. I can give you some horror stories, but that'll be another video. But focus on keeping it local because they know the rules, regulations, and what's going on here in town. Number 2, more personalized. So typically with a local lender, even if they're with a big national bank, they're probably gonna have a smaller client pool. You wanna focus on that. When you go to meet them, how many people are you working with? If it's 40, you probably don't want that. Why? They'll never return your phone calls, never return your emails, or it'll take too long. So focus on local small banks, local credit unions, companies that will give you personalized attention and can really look into who you are to help you decide what kind of loan to get and help you get across that finish line. So number 3, flexibility, which honestly kind of plays off point 2, but flexibility is key here. If you go and apply with one of the big national banks, Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, you either fit in their criteria or you don't. If you do, they'll give you the loan. If you don't and you're in Nashville and you're, guess what, a musician, it might be harder to get that loan and they're going to decline you. They have so much business, they don't care about you. You're a name on a piece of paper. But if you work with a local credit union or local small bank, they are so antsy to get market share, they will try to find ways to approve you rather than decline. So focus on local, focus on small, aim for the credit unions or local community bank. The great news is we have some amazing lenders that are here, local, in town, know the market, and I'd be glad to connect you with those. So what you're first going to want to do is call me, and then I'll redirect you to them. And whether you're just getting started or need a home tomorrow, you know who to call. And as always, we'll be here and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Cheers.